Facebook, YouTube, how are you doing today? We're at it again. We're on a hardwood clean and buff today for a client that booked 2 weeks ago. I'll show you what we're doing here. This area here, this area bathroom. We're doing a project in Caseyville, Illinois. So we came out last week. They booked on the spot, set them up with an appointment. And what we're doing here, guys, is doing a clean and buff. They understand the floor is kind of worn out. Technically, they really need a sand and recoat, but they don't want to do that. They just want to make it look improved, not perfect. So what we're going to do is clean and buff it, and then put 2 coats of a top coat of gloss. That's all they want. So we're going to make it look better for them. They're going to put a rug over this. Some of the scratches will still be there, but it's going to, when you clean and buff it, basically, like you guys know in other videos, you remove the residue and pop the natural sheen, and then we protect it with a top coat of urethane, which we're going to apply a gloss. So that's what we're doing here today, guys. Stay tuned for some results, and don't forget to feed, don't forget to share and subscribe, and hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and stay tuned for some results. We got NO attacking now. Hey guys, this is a maintenance service. This is our least expensive service for hardwood, clean and buff. This is really popular. They get the floors back to the original state without the hassle of sanding or refinishing. So yeah, guys, that's what we're doing today. Reach out to us if you need the service. We're happy to help you and educate you guys. And again, we have a lot of valuable content that we give away for free. So the only thing we ask is you to pay the fee, share it, and subscribe, okay? This is educational for anybody that owns a home, and also how to properly take care of your flooring or your ducts. This is the content that we give away to show clients that we serve our process and you know what to expect when we arrive at their house. So this is really just a snapshot of all the homes that we service. We service thousands of homes throughout the year, and this educates the client and kind of gives them a snapshot, again, what to expect. So it's nice to show them a little video, a little overview, if you will, of what we do. Now, it's not everything we do, and it's not the whole process, but it's just little golden nuggets to kind of educate you guys that we feel comfortable on what you're getting for a service. So, again, we maintain, clean, and restore flooring as well as ducts, and that's what we do, guys. Remember, we got you covered. And if we need to replace it, we can. Or if we need to sand it, we can. But most of the time, we try to save it by doing a dustless service. So, all right, guys. All right, guys, we're cleaning the buffing floors now. Get all the residue off. You can see nice little shine there. There are some worn out areas, which they understand. But again, this is just a improvement service, not a perfection service. They just want to make it look better without spending a whole lot of money on sanding. So we charge them $250 a square foot. Clean buff and put a wear layer protection, and that's going to do it. And they did decide to go with the gloss. And this service is good for not only hardwood, but also engineered and also laminate. So keep that in mind, guys. See that difference. What I haven't done yet to what I did do. See that, guys? I haven't done this area, but I have done that. All right, guys, we're gonna flip the script. Check it out. Look how dirty that is. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna apply the first top coat of gloss. As you can see, it buffed out pretty good. There's still going to be evidence of scratches and things like that. They understand that, but all the residue is gone. The original sheen is buffed out, and then we're going to make it uniform by applying the top coat of gloss. So, yeah, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, it's going to do it. That's the first coat. It looks good. We'll come back about an hour and a half, come back, lay another coat of gloss. All right, guys, stay tuned. Beautiful. All right, guys, just got back. This is the first coat. You see how it dried? Everything responded well, looks great. The client loves it. Nice little shine to it. Again, there's imperfections and scratches. They understand that because we did not sand the floors. We just cleaned it, buffed it, and put a top coat on there of gloss. So, yep, they're gonna put a rug over here. Beautiful. And you guys saw how dirty that pad was. That's why it's so crucial to clean your floors, because when you use over-the-counter cleaners, it does leave a film and attract residue. And that's what we buffed off. So again, this is a maintenance service. Again, we maintain floors, clean them, and restore them. And if we can't restore them, then we can replace them or sand them, and as well as duct cleaning. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the last edit of this video of the last coat. And I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, that's a wrap. This is the second top coat of gloss. And the client loves it. Clean, buff, and top coat. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I want to show you how it looks before I leave.
Okay. Come on out,
I want to get Mama Bear's opinion.
Okay.
Papa Bear likes it.
You said
I just said finished. I just want to show you real quick.
Oh, okay.
I get more excited about this than I do anything else.
The finished product.
That's right. That's why I do what I do.
It's nice.
It look good?
So you say how long before we
3 hours.
3?
Yep.
Well, we're gonna go get his car and mess around for a little bit.
Sounds good. So
You
you
should have probably opened the patio door, shouldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. Oh, but 1 through 10, what do you give it?
A 10.
There we go.
For sure.
Appreciate it.
We don't want to step on it till it's dry.
That's right. And I'll send you those aftercare instructions as well, so you have that for you as well.
Okay.